Google just changed how AI-built apps show up to the world. If you have been building tools inside Google AI Studio, every single one of them used to launch with a URL that looked like a randomly generated password. Something like burning-man-animal-cuddle-6-1-run-app. That URL was killing your trust signals before anyone even clicked. As of about a week ago, you can now deploy those same apps under clean branded subdomains that actually look professional. And there is one URL configuration inside this update that separates tools that convert from tools that get closed in 3 seconds. I am walking you through that at the end. Stay with me. I am Paul James. I help solo operators and freelancers build service businesses using free AI tools instead of expensive software stacks. And this Google AI Studio update is one of those quiet shifts that changes what is possible for someone offering SEO or lead gen work to local businesses without paying for deployment platforms. If you are getting value from this, my daily deposit course is under $30 right now for viewers of this video instead of $197. That pricing is only live for people coming from this video. So if you want the full system for turning tools like this into repeatable client income, it is linked in the description. Grab it while it is showing that price. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over. I want to see who is in. Here is what most people do not realize. Every no-code platform out there, the ones that let you build apps from scratch or deploy automations, locks clean professional URLs behind a paid tier. You either accept their branded subdomain with your project name tacked on, or you pay $25 to $50 a month to connect your own domain. That monthly charge hits before you have built anything people will pay for. And it is funny. The platforms that push hardest for those upgrades also happen to be the ones with the biggest affiliate programs attached. Just something to think about before you hand over your card. Google AI Studio is a no-code tool that builds functional web apps from plain text prompts. You describe what you want, it generates the app, and you deploy it. No coding. It connects to Google Workspace, handles login systems, links to Firebase for database work, and deploys through GitHub if you need version control. The tool is completely free. Up until last week, the one thing it could not give you was a URL that looked like you built it on purpose. That just changed. This is not just cosmetic. A URL is the first trust signal someone sees before they even land on your page. If it looks like a randomly generated string, bounce rates go up, click-through rates drop, and search engines notice both of those signals when they evaluate whether your page deserves to rank. A clean URL does not guarantee rankings, but a messy one actively works against you. Here is where this becomes the clean signal architecture. You are building a modular stack where every piece, the app builder, the deployment, the branding layer, costs nothing and works together to produce something that looks indistinguishable from a paid product. Most platforms charge you for that polish. Google just handed it to you for free. This matters most for solo operators offering SEO work or lead generation to local businesses, because the deliverable you are handing them is often a tool, and that tool needs to look credible the second they see the link. Let me show you how this actually works. Open Google AI Studio. Build or select an app you have already created. Hit the Publish menu in the top right corner. You will see a new field labeled Custom URL. Type in the subdomain you want under ai.studio. Something like your -agency-name-tools.ai.studio. If someone else already claimed it, you will get an error. These are first come, first served. Google will suggest an available option if yours is taken. Accept it or try another one. Hit deploy. Your app is now live under that clean subdomain instead of the auto-generated mess. Think about what just changed for someone running SEO as a service to local businesses. You build a free meta title checker in Google AI Studio. Takes you 20 minutes. You deploy it under a branded URL. You hand that link to a roofing company and tell them to plug in their homepage title to see if it is optimized. They run it. It gives them a grade and 3 suggestions for improvement. That interaction costs you $0 to build and $0 to host. The URL looks professional. The tool works. They remember you when they need SEO work done for real. That same capability inside most no-code platforms, building a custom tool with a clean deployment URL costs you a monthly plan before you have even signed your first client. Here's another way to use this. Build small utility tools instead of trying to build one massive application. A local accountant could have a tax deduction estimator, a landscaper could have a lawn care pricing calculator, a mortgage broker could have a monthly payment estimator. Each tool solves one simple problem in under a minute. That's exactly why people use them. You're giving potential clients value before they ever book a call with you. The tool becomes your salesperson, working 24 hours a day while you focus on delivering client work instead of constantly chasing new leads. Now here is where most people stop and assume they are done. You have the tool. You have the clean URL. You are ready to hand it to a client. But there is one move almost nobody makes during the configuration step. And it is the difference between a tool that gets bookmarked and one that gets used once and forgotten. I am walking you through that in 60 seconds. If you have not already grabbed my daily deposit course at that viewer-only price, it is linked in the description, under $30 instead of $197. That is the full framework for turning free tools into client income step by step. Drop a comment if you are heading over so I can see who is locking this in while the pricing is live. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me give you a real scenario. A solo operator wants to offer SEO audits to local businesses, but does not have the budget for paid audit tools. She builds 3 free tools in Google AI Studio: a meta title checker, a keyword density analyzer, and a content idea generator. She deploys all 3 under her agency tools.ai.studio. Each tool has a clean URL. She puts those links on a simple landing page and starts sending it to chiropractors, roofers, and plumbers in her area. They use the tools for free. Half of them reply asking if she does full SEO work. She charges $400 a month per client for ongoing optimization. The tools cost her nothing. The deployment platform cost her nothing. She just built a lead generation engine on free infrastructure. The best part is that these tools keep working after you've finished building them. Someone might discover your keyword checker through Google search 6 months from now, use it, and then decide they want help improving their website. Another business owner might share your content idea generator with a friend, creating referrals without you asking for them. Instead of every new client coming from cold outreach, you're building assets that continue attracting opportunities long after the work is done. That's a very different business model than constantly trading hours for income. Most platforms doing this, letting you build and deploy custom tools, bundle the clean URL feature inside a tier that costs you before you have revenue. Google AI Studio gives you the builder, the deployment, and now the branded subdomain all for free. That is not a feature update. That is a structural shift in what is accessible to someone starting from scratch. Here is the one configuration move I promised you at the start. When you set your custom URL, do not default to the first thing you think of. Test it out loud. Say the full URL, your-subdomain.ai.studio, as if you are telling someone on a phone call where to go. If it is awkward to pronounce or too long to remember, it is wrong. The best URLs sound natural when spoken and are short enough that someone can type them from memory after hearing them once. That is what separates a tool people share from a tool they use once and lose the link to. Most people skip this step entirely and just accept whatever they typed first. You have one chance to set this before deploying. Use it. I know what that starting pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $50 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why updates like this one matter. The gap between what I had access to then and what is available now is massive. You can build real tools, deploy them under professional URLs, and hand them to clients without spending anything. The leverage just keeps compounding. This is also why I think solo operators have an advantage right now. You don't need to build the next big software company. You only need a handful of useful tools that solve real problems for the types of businesses you want to work with. Every new tool becomes another reason for someone to discover your business, trust your expertise, and reach out for help. Over time, those small tools become a portfolio that works for you every day, even when you're not actively looking for new clients. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have 3 of these tools running under branded URLs. A local dentist searches for free SEO tools in your city and lands on your meta checker. A contractor tries your content idea generator and replies asking for a quote. A gym owner bookmarks your keyword analyzer and calls you a week later. Every one of those interactions happened because you had a tool that looked credible, worked fast, and cost you nothing to maintain. That is not hypothetical. That is what solo operators are doing right now with this exact stack. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.